Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. Today we are learning about common nouns. A common noun is a word that names a general person, place or thing. Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter, unless they start a sentence. Let's look at some examples. The doctor sat in his office. I've highlighted the word doctor because it is a common noun. It names a general person. Office is another common noun because it names a general place. A teacher opened the door. Teacher is a common noun because it names a general person. Door is another common noun because it names a thing. The girl dropped her pencil on the floor. Girl is a common noun because it names a general person. Pencil is another common noun because it names a thing, and floor is a common noun because it names a place. My dog chased the ball. Dog is a common noun because it names an animal. Ball is another common noun because it names a thing. Now see if you can find the other common nouns in each sentence. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's check the answers. The other common nouns are office, door, pencil, floor, and ball. Remember, a common noun names a general person, place or thing. Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter, unless they start a sentence. If this lesson helped you, like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.